Hi guys, it's a pleasure being with you again. Today, Paulina again videotaping me.
Hello.
I wanna start by saying thank you very much for all your nice comments. That's what makes me come back. What we're gonna do today is a chicken with macaronis, but it's gonna be me and Paulina doing it. My wife is putting the makeup on a client. Matter of fact, yesterday we was talking to my wife, so my wife was laughing. She goes, every time you mention that I'm doing makeup on a client, they're gonna think that I work and you stay home. No, I'm not staying home. Remember guys, I own a jewelry store on 47th Street. And anytime when you need something, don't forget about me. So let's go start and make the chicken with macaronis. Delicious food, okay? So let's start. We're gonna do a chicken. I have a whole chicken over here, chicken with macaroni. It's a unbelievable and very delicious food. Easy to make, extremely delicious. So here you have a whole chicken. We're gonna put the tomatoes inside, and we're gonna put garlic and tomato sauce and this type of macaroni. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start by cutting the chicken, and I'll show you as we go along. My chicken is ready. Let's start working on the garlic right now. So what I need, I'm going to tell you approximately, I would take maybe a little bit more than half of this whole garlic. It's more you put, the tastier it gets. So let me see how much I'm going to put. I might put, let me see, this much. So you see that's how much left from the whole garlic. So approximately you can figure out how much is it. Okay, so let's chop it. It's beautiful weather today. Unbelievable. Okay guys, now I'm going to chop the garlic. Approximately this is the pieces that they should be, okay? Not too small also, but not too big, just like that. So now after this, we're going to chop the tomatoes. 1.5 tomatoes, approximately this size, and this one, okay? So just slice and thin. I have to cube them. Okay, the tomatoes are chopped. Now we're gonna go and start the fire and start cooking. We're gonna start the fire right now, and we're gonna start cooking our delicious food. Alright, the fire is ready. Let's put the pot. And now I'm gonna put oil, not too much, just a drop. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna put the garlic. Now garlic, you gotta watch. It burns very fast. So you gotta watch, make sure it doesn't overcook. Garlic is ready. Now we're gonna add the tomatoes. I'm gonna let it cook for like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the chicken. Tomatoes is ready. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. The whole chicken over here. But we're gonna let it cook for like until it changes the color, approximately around 15 minutes. I'm gonna close it on top a little bit, and then we're gonna add tomato juice and boiling water and salt and pepper. Okay, let's see what's going on with the food. Looking good. Wow, it smells good. Rina, how does it smell?
It smells amazing. I'm getting so hungry.
Me too, I'm getting hungry also. We're gonna send a video for my wife of me and Paulina eating the food, tasting the food soon. Let me check what's going on. That's it, looking good. Now I'm gonna add tomato sauce, salt and pepper and paprika, and boiling water. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start with the salt. Approximately, as usual, I do by hand. Not too much, this much for now. Then we're gonna taste it, and if we need more, we're gonna add black pepper. Black pepper, and this food makes it very tasty if you put a little bit extra if you like. But that's how much I'm gonna put. And paprika, sweet paprika. This is a 15-ounce tomato sauce. So I'm gonna put maybe like half. Now I'm gonna add a boiling water. Just approximately, you can tell how much I'm adding. That's it. For now, that's all I'm gonna add. Mix it all up. Okay, and we're gonna let it cook. I'm gonna taste it in about like a couple minutes when the water starts boiling again. I'm gonna taste it, and we're gonna let it cook for approximately half an hour. And now I'm gonna close it and leave it for half an hour. So let's go start working on the macaronis. Now I'm gonna start the fire for the macaronis. Okay, so over here I gotta add water as usual, Poland Spring. This is where we're gonna cook the macaronis. I'm gonna add a little bit salt just by eye. Okay. That's good. Okay, I just want to give you a little update what's going on with the food. Wow, the smell, crazy. The food is looking amazing. Okay, looking very good. So I'm gonna keep you posted. But the water is boiling. I'm gonna use rigatoni. This one has to cook between 12 to 13 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it only for around 11 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna show you why later on. So let's put it in. So I'm gonna take time and I'm gonna leave it for 11 minutes. Okay, let's give you a little update with my food. Let's see how the food is doing. The food is doing great. Smells amazing. Wow. It's boiling lightly. We leave it like this until the macaronis is ready. It's amazing. 11 minutes passed by. Now I'm gonna start the fire on this side. The macaronis, it's kind of ready. 11 minutes later. So now I'm gonna fry them a little bit. Inside this pot, I'm gonna put a little olive oil. Take my macaroni from here and transfer it over here, okay? Now remember, this macaroni has to cook for 13 minutes. So I cooked it for 11 minutes. Now I'm gonna fry it. Like the sound. Okay, mix it once in a while. Has to be nice and dry. You gotta put kosher salt on top and keep turning until it gets nice and crispy. Just to give you a little update about the food, it's just about to be ready. We're waiting for the macaroni to be very crispy, and then we're gonna add it inside the food. Okay, so far everything looking good. Another couple minutes. Okay, guys, you know you can tell that you can take this while it's frying nice and crispy, and you eat it like chips. Delicious. My macaronis are nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna go and add it to the food. Let's go. Okay, open the food up. Add the whole macaronis inside. See, just like that. Then mix it all together. Look at this beauty. That's gonna be one of the most delicious food you eat in a while. Okay, now that we mixed everything up, we let it cook for 5 minutes and our food will be ready. The food is ready. That's it. Now we're gonna take it out. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. Okay. Look at the sound. Look at the sound. It's still boiling. Look at this food. Look at this food. Doesn't it look beautiful?
It looks so good.
The food is ready. Look who's next to me right now.
It's my first time being a guest.
So my daughter gonna do the tasting with me. So you're gonna have a different opinion. My wife is on the way home, so she's gonna eat it a little bit later. Okay, so let's start tasting. But I'm gonna go with the macaroni first. Otherwise, the food looks very good.
I'm gonna try a little bit of chicken and macaroni.
Okay, let's see. Nice. Amazing.
Oh my god, it's so good.
You already probably got used to it for me to say all the time amazing, right? Because it does taste amazing. Let me go for a little bit more.
I'm usually behind the camera waiting to eat, so I'm now excited I get to eat it hot.
It tastes really good. You should definitely try it at home. It's amazing, amazing, amazing taste. It's very difficult to describe the taste. But you want to take a piece of meat?
I've been eating chicken already.
Actually, a piece of chicken.
Alright, let's try
Okay, I'm gonna take
chicken and macaroni again.
I'm gonna take this part. Okay? Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes amazing.
I'm gonna take some of the thigh since that's my favorite part.
Guys, another successful food. Try it at home. You're gonna love it. It was a pleasure being with you. Marina, I'm gonna end it up with
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload. And don't forget to follow us and follow our jewelry page too, which will all be linked down below.
guys, pleasure being with you. Salute. See you next time. Stay safe.